it's Nathan here from AllBrand Caravan Services. Today I wanted to talk to you guys about some legal requirements that actually come under the ADRs. If you don't know what the ADRs are, they are the Australian design rules which all caravans or motorhomes, any vehicle for that matter, must comply with to be allowed to drive on the Australian roads. Now in those ADRs, it does state that on your heavy vehicles like this one behind me, the rear lights cannot be mounted higher than 1.5 metres up the rear of the van. As you can see, these lights are exceeding that 1.5 metre mark. They're actually measured at 2.1 metres up the van. So what we're going to have to do is we're going to have to remove the lights off of the rear of the van and then fix that panelling up there and mount some lights around about 1.4, 1.5 metres, as there is some toolboxes to go on the rear of the van here, and we will need those lights illuminating above the toolboxes. If you guys have any more questions on what is illegal and what is legal to do with your vans, motorhomes, anything like that, you can give us a call here at AllBrand. You can leave a comment below in the comments section, or you can just come on down here and say g'day and have a chat. Anyway guys, have a great day.